to a new video. Well, car shopping video. We're trying to get a new car, but everything's rocking. Everything's good. This car looks good. So yeah, car shopping. So we're basically looking at Hyundais, whichever one it is. Then we're doing a bargaining. Then getting a car for my mom. It's not for me. For my mom, because she's starting a new job. She needs a new car because all three of us have work and stuff like that. When I was in high school, I used to ride the bus. So now I'm in college, so I gotta go to college every single day. So we gotta get a new car. And we try to get an old car, but the price is about $5,000 difference for a new one and an old one. So we're thinking about getting the new one. You know what I mean? So it's not a big deal. So we're just gonna get it, probably. But we're gonna see which one's the better option. We're at Tropical Smoothie and we're about to get some smoothie. So, hey, let's just go with the day. We're gonna go to Publix, yeah, we'll get some things to eat. I hope you guys understand what I just said, but I don't even know. But let's just go. Let's just go with the flow. So, kind of doing some shopping with my parents. You know, doing some vegetables, doing some, you know, yeah, doing all that. And that. We're just doing it. Don't run me over. He always tries to run me over. Don't run me over. But we just got home. I got the stuff. So I'm gonna end it right here for today. Coming back with tomorrow with a new video every single day. So 1 to 4 videos every single day. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Stay tuned for more videos, more updates, more everything coming out on this channel. And I'm gonna hit this because it's from Publix and it's nutritious. Peace out.